Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name is the Pen Photographer, and let me teach you how to use multi-mode for high-speed or super high-speed sync options. So, disclaimer, Neewer has never sent me a product to review. I have always purchased my products with my own money or donations from my audience. So, disclaimer, they do not have any say-so on what I'm about to show you. This is just my tips as a photographer, as a videographer, as a filmmaker. So with that said, everyone, this is the Neewer Q3, and I'm in multi-mode, and yes, I am using 1/64th power, and based on the power that you're using, it can vary based on the shots that are available. Now, you can change the hertz to 60 hertz, which is fast, but let me demonstrate. See, now if I change those hertz using the set dial, keep that in mind. So I'm going to go to the lowest setting to show you how slow and how to use these hertz. So I'm going to put on 3 hertz, and it's going to give you 8 flashes. As you can see now, based on the power that you're using. Okay, so let's say I want to use 116, right? Now, keep this in mind, I can go up to 99 hertz, which is very fast, but I don't want to do that. So now I'm going to just take it up a notch, 5 hertz, okay, and 10 shots. Now, based on the power, it may vary based on the shots available. So, 10 bursts, right? So, but let's say I want to go, oops. See? Now, if I want to change that, let's say I want to shoot at 1/4 power. Now, it's only going to give me 5 shots at 1/4 power at 3 hertz. So keep this in mind. Even in the hertz department, it can go up to 5, 6, 7. That's the speed. So that's 3 shots. That's all it's going to give me at 1/4 power. So, ladies and gentlemen, to understand how to use this mode for high-speed sync and super high-speed sync photography, this is the best option. This is a Q3, but you can use this in any strobe that you have, or Godox, or whatever brand that you're using. If it has multi-mode, you should use this from time to time. Understand the hertz. The faster, the higher it is, the faster the burst. But keep in mind, based on power, it may vary. But I'm the Pen Photographer, everyone, and using this mode to do high-speed photography is amazing. You should try it sometime. But with that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share. If you like the content and you like this quick tip about flash photography, let me know down in the comments below if this has helped you understand something about your strobe as of today. But please subscribe, like, and share. Eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. Let me do one more. And let's do 132. And I'm going to do about, let's do 20 hertz. And let's do 15 shots. That is 15 shots. Now I'll change the hertz once again. And that's how you use multi-mode for high-speed sync. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.